Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the system navigation in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so the first step of the operation would be going into settings, and here we have to find the display section and find the navigation bar. And here we can choose between buttons that will be more preferable for the Android users, and if you're more familiar with the iOS system, you can choose the swipe gestures, and it will work exactly the same as in the for the iPhone users. So for example, you can open the tabs by swiping up, etc. So if you consider this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.